Hello everyone, Carlos Daniel Tuazon here, and I'd like to present you the experiment titled A Gaseous Outlook. Objective: determine the application of gas law in a daily occurrences. The materials we'll need for activity A areas follows: string or thread, sticky tape, a medium balloon, and drinking straw.
Thread the string through the straw and tie its end tightly between 2 points at equal heights in a room. Number 2. Inflate the balloon and keep the neck close between your fingers. Number 3. Fix the balloon underneath the drinking straw with a sticky tape and pull the balloon along to the end of the string. Number 4. Pull your fingers against the mouth of the balloon, then let go.
Question number 1. Explain why the balloon shoots along the thread at a speed using concept of the gas laws. The balloon may move because of the compressed gases. The balloon walls are pushed by gas molecules while the air next to the balloon's aperture is pushed by other gas molecules. The balloon moves more forcefully in the direction of the gases. What does this prove regarding the compressibility of gases? The lower the compression, the higher is the amount of the kinetic energy. The faster is the speed. The materials we'll need for activity B: glass bottle, medium-sized balloon, and sink with hot and cold water.
What happened to the level of the water inside the glass?
The water did not enter the glass.
What caused this to happen?
The spaces between the water molecules at the bottom basin are not enough to accommodate the molecules of the gases inside the glass.
If the rim of the glass was raised above the surface of the water, what might have happened?
If the glass raised without leaving the water, or if the glass is totally removed from the water, the volume of the gas is also reduced, causing a decrease in the level of the water. Mag-GA lang po kami, pero ba't may ganyan? Grabe. 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 Red, at a speed, use B, ba't naglalakad kayo?
Uy, close your mouth.
Ang daming ganun.